Hey guys, in this video I show you how to mount a winch to your Outlander 570 XL. So build our own mounting plate, all of these guys here, and now we'll just add them here. So we have the mounting plate here. Already drilled the first hole, which then aligns with this guy here from the inside. Now we need to find the second hole here. Easiest way to flip this thing around from the outside and do the first screw in. Line it up kinda how it should be. Okay, let's put this bad boy in Badland, right? Let's take the long one. Yeah, so put this and alright, line it up. Put this guy on so it will stay. Okay, because it's so tight on this side, I'll start with this end first. Move this in and get ready. Come on. Okay. And now this side. You have to turn this thing, or pull it out, turn it, and then you're able to move to roll the drum. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Connect it. Make sure you don't lose it. Should be good. Now turn it back if you could. No, these I don't know yet. Okay. There it is. So you have to take this panel out, and they are together with these rivets, so they're two pieces. First one is in here, and then this pin. So first you pull out this pin, then you pull it out completely, and then you take this piece out. So in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the fifth one. So this one is still in, see, you just pull it out a little bit, and take your pliers and pull the pin out. There's actually another one, there are 6 in total. So underneath this guy, you can see, this guy is another one. The solenoid is zip tied on 2 angles here. It's not the best solution, but it will stay. Then you connect the plus minus cables to the winch, and then you zip tie them, in a, I don't know, pick a hose part, pick a part that is not moving, and it comes back out here, and then we'll actually zip tie right up here to this bracket, our hose. There we go. Don't have to pull too tight, just enough to keep it in place. Perfect, perfect. So this circuit breaker was too short for my use case, and I had another one here. So what I did is I connected the ground to here, and I ran the positive wire directly straight to the battery. And that's all there is to it. So let's see whether it works. All right, long press the button in the middle, green light, and it works. Awesome. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.